Hi there. You'll be aware that as part of the contract sign-off process, our Pro Vice Chancellor Julian Beer now requires contracts to go up to him for signature with a cover sheet printed off from the PNF form that's been duly authorised by the relevant staff. So, I have a PNF here, and let's assume this is ready to go up to Julian Beer for sign-off, and I've completed some of the data on it. I've given it a project name, I've said it's an EB project. Scroll down, I'll put some values in here, and just here we've seen it's a Euro project and it's done some conversion for us. This is ready to go to Julian Beer now, and I need to print the cover sheet off. In the current view box here, I'm going to click the drop down arrow and select VCO cover sheet. Now it's important to note that this isn't a new part of the form. This is just a different view of the form. This is the same form and it's displaying the data that's on the main page of the main default view. So this is the information that Julian Beer requires. If I click File, Print, I can select the printer. It'll come up with the usual dialog box. I can click OK, and that will print out that view of the form. One thing to note, because this is just a different view of the form, if I change the data here, let's say I want to call that V2, if I change the name of the project title there, if I now go back to the default view, you'll see that it's also changed there. It is the same box, just showing you a different view of the form. All of these boxes copy and replicate both ways. That's it. Thanks for watching.